Alright, so here are the, that's about quadrilateral. So ask students what a quadrilateral is, and a lot of them said pentagon, hexagon, triangle, circle, but that's not what a quadrilateral is. So we're going to leave the space blank for the first one. Go to the second one, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So this is the second one, not the first one, the second one. So let's talk about what a quadrilateral is. So this is on the white, okay? On the right, on the white one also, okay? If you're writing on blue, then whatever color. So I'm gonna write quadrilateral to make sure you know which one it is. Okay. Now, as we do these different shapes, you need to look for patterns. You need to look for what's similar, what's different. So quadrilateral, first thing is a polygon. First thing is a polygon. Okay. What makes it special is it has 4 sides. It has 4 sides. Now, my students named off some examples they thought were quadrilateral. So they said circle. Is a circle quadrilateral? Does it have 4 sides?
No.
No, it's not.
The square do.
Okay. What about a triangle? Is a triangle the quadrilateral?
No.
No, because there's 3 sides. We're talking about everything that has 4 sides. It has to be a polygon with 4 sides.
Rectangle and square.
Yeah, rectangle and square would have been examples. Okay, so now I'm going back to the first one, and let's talk about what a polygon is. So one more time, I'm going to the first one because I said a polygon. I want to make sure everyone understands what a polygon is. Why is the screen blinking? I have no idea. Alright, so polygon. Polygon definition has 3 parts. It's 2D. Okay? So that means it's flat. It's not, you can't say this box is a rectangle because this is 3D. Okay? It's not 3D, it's only 2D, so you can only draw them. It's 2D. It is straight. It has to be straight edges, so all the sides have to be straight. So a circle is not straight, doesn't have straight edges. It has to be straight edges. And there's one more I'm going to show you in just a minute. So kind of down here, we're going to put examples and non-examples. Non-examples. Yeah. So up here went straight edges right underneath it on the other color. So examples, non-examples. So I'm going to draw something. Tell me if you think it would go in the examples or non-examples. Is that, do you think that's an example or a non-example of a quadrilateral?
Not example.
What's wrong with this
Because
one?
it's not completed.
Okay, see this? It's not closed. So for it to be a polygon, it has to be closed. Okay. So yeah, that would be a non-example. So if you have something like this, that would be a non-example.
Everything that has 4 sides, right?
This one doesn't say anything about 4 sides. This one's 2D. That doesn't mean that D doesn't talk about the sides. D is talking about the dimensions. Okay, this is straight edges closed. Now, does it say anything about the sides? No, that's what makes the polygon and the quadrilateral different. That the quadrilateral has to have 4 sides. So if it's a polygon, that means it's 2D. Please write this down. That means this has straight edges. And it's closed. So a quadrilateral is 2D, has straight edges, and it's closed, as I said, with 4 sides. This is what makes it different than all the other ones. This one has to have 4 sides. Yeah, but I'm not sure what's that.
This can be the phone.
It's my alarm. It's 9 o'clock. Okay, so one more time. It's a quadrilateral it's a polygon, which means it's 2D, closed, and has straight edges. Oops. Alright. So, this one for the polygon, back to the polygon, the examples, can you give me an example of a polygon that has to be straight, closed, and 2D? A circle. Let's do a circle. Is a circle example or non-example?
No.
Yeah, because it has curves. If you draw anything 3D, for example, like the box I just showed you of the staples, a box of the staples is not good because that's 3D. Do you see the difference?
Yes.
Okay, give me an example of something we've done here. Straight, closed, and 2D.
So you need an example. Square.
Okay, I'll take a square.
Rectangle.
A rectangle.
I don't know what else.
What's something we've been doing for the past few weeks?
Triangle.
Yeah, triangles.
Rectangle doesn't have 4 sides.
Does the polygon have to have 4 sides?
No.
So that's an example of a polygon. What's another example of a polygon? 2D, straight, closed. Pentagon, yeah. Oops, I draw a hexagon. A hexagon will work too. Okay. All of those work as long as they're straight, closed, and they have they're 2D. Do me a favor, Arnaldo, can you find it so you can turn off the alarm because it's getting on the nerves? Is it in there?
Yes. Stop?
Yeah. Alright, thank you. Now, okay, so you're going to go to quadrilateral.
No.
Alright. So, let's do examples, non-examples. Okay, so, this one has to have 4 sides. So, can someone give me an example of, or a non-example, something that would not have all these parts? It has to be 2D, straight, closed, 4 sides. Give me a non-example. A circle. What else? A triangle.
Pentagonal.
Pentagon.
Hexagonal.
Yep, hexagonal. Okay, because these don't have 4 sides. So then you could have, you know, something, anything like this, anything like that. You could have a rectangle. This one has to have 4 sides. Has to have 4 sides. It can, you know, it has to be straight, closed. Also. Alright, so these are the notes over the polygon and quadrilateral, and then there's going to be another video for the rest of them.